Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel Mega Waves, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your money from Google AdWords. So as most of you know, Google AdWords is an advertising platform that you can use to advertise your YouTube channel or your website or stuff like that for promotion. Okay, so now I'm going to show you simple steps to withdraw your money. Okay, I had an issue with my account. I created an account some weeks ago and I funded it, and for the past 7 to 8 days my account was still showing your balance is exhausted and stuff like that, and I have deposited money with my prepaid card. So now I got a message that my account was suspended, stuff like that, and I was like confused why my ads is going to get suspended. Okay, so I decided I should get the account cancelled because I got a message that I can't unsuspend the account anymore because I violated their rules, which I do not know. So guys, I'm going to log into my AdWords account and showing you a few steps to withdraw your money. It's pretty easy. So you log into your AdWords account connected to your cash, and for you to withdraw your money you have to have leftovers, that is unused money that hasn't been billed yet or stuff like that. It has to be a leftover balance before you get paid. If you have used all your deposits, or what I call it balance, you are not going to get paid from Google. So you must check your bills and payment, check your leftovers and stuff like that. Okay, so right now I have $10 in my account. So I'm going to show you the bills and stuff like that and show you the process to get everything done. Hold on, it's kind of delaying. Dashboard on my Google AdWords account. So I'm going to click on overview to see. So now it's pretty easy to withdraw your funds. All you have to do is just to cancel your account. So there you have it. I got this notification, your balance is exhausted and your ads stopped running, and I have made payment to my account. So I got another notification about a week ago that my ads account has been suspended. I tried to apply for kind of duration, but my request was declined. So I simply thought I should get my money out of AdWords. So you click on your tools at the top right corner of your screen, and I am going to be leaving the steps for you to follow on the description of this video, so you just gotta stay tuned. Okay, so now you click on setup. Now, okay, fine. If you want to check your leftovers, you have to click on billing and payment. That's the first icon you're going to see. But I already know I have leftovers on my account. So I simply go straight to my preferences. That's the fifth icon on the setup page, on the setup links. So if you want to check your leftovers, you click on your billing and payments. Then if you want to go straight to cancellation of your account, you just go straight to your preferences. So now the idea is that Google pays you automatically after cancellation of your account if you have leftovers on your account. That's leftover means money still remaining that has been used by any ads campaign or any bill statement. So if it's just free, so you are going to get paid that amount. Okay, so after clicking on tools, you click on preferences. That's on the fifth icon of your setup link, and you're going to get a display of preferences. And then okay, so now uses your preferences settings, and now you have to go for preferences on your account, and then you have the account name, time zone, and account status. So you click on your account status, and you are gonna click on this icon here showing reactivate your account. You're gonna see a cancel my account. So all you have to go do, click on the cancel of account. So that's pretty easy, and when you have done that, you are gonna receive your bill or payment within 31 days. So if you made a deposit through your credit card, it's going to take about 4 weeks. And if you made a deposit through maybe transfer, you're going to have to fill some form to Google who pay. But most people use the credit card, so there's not a problem. They are going to use your debit card information to send the money back to your account. So you can see on my number 2, your account is suspended with detected suspicious payment in your account. So I'm going to show you my bills and payments before. So I made a $10 deposit which hasn't been used and hasn't been touched or done. So that's what I'm going to be taking out. And no, you are going to get an email after your cancellation has been confirmed, and you have to wait for your time and get your refund alert on your mobile phone. And if you do not get your refund within a minimum of 6 weeks, you can contact Google on the search engine. You guys, I'm going to drop the link there for you to that your refund hasn't been paid. Okay, so here it is, my summary. Okay, so here you have it. You canceled your payment account on February 9. Your estimated refund is $10. So here you have it. It's pretty understandable, and your like I paid through card details, and your money that hasn't been billed is going to be refunded to you within a minimum of 4 weeks. So all you have to do is just have patience, and your money will be transferred. Okay then, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video, and guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, support my channel, and really appreciate you guys. Keep up the good work. Thank you.